From Sooner Standards, Creating Multiple Representations of Data, a complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6DAS01. Students learn to create multiple representations of the same data, such as tables, bar graphs, line graphs, and pictographs. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.